For close round 26, you shouldn't forget the last single crochet top of first 3 chain space. I just make it here. It's a little hard for me here. Okay, like this. Round 27, into first single crochet we have to make 3 single crochet. We don't make a slip stitch from this round or continuous. Okay, remove the stitch marker and 3 single crochet in back loop only. 1, 2 and 3. Then put a stitch marker into second single crochet, 1, 2 in the center. Okay, now here in this round we want to make popcorn. 3 single crochet, back loop only, a single crochet into first single crochet, another single crochet into next, and another single crochet into next. Then 5 double crochet into next single crochet to make a popcorn. Take both loops together like this and make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here. Like this. Now 5 single crochet, so back loop only, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again another popcorn, 5 double crochet into next single crochet, both loops together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 5 single crochet, back loop only, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then another popcorn, make 5 double crochet popcorn, then 5 single crochet, and here in the corner I come back. Okay, in the corner after the last popcorn make 3 single crochet here, back loop only, 1, 2 and 3. Then in the corner remove this stitch marker and 3 single crochet to increase, 1, 2 and 3. Put a stitch marker into second single crochet here and continue this pattern, 3 single crochet then popcorn. Okay, in each side you have to make 7 popcorn before and after last and first popcorn only 3 single crochet, and here between 2 popcorn 5 single crochet. Finish this round, then I come back here. For close round 27, don't make a slip stitch and 3 single crochet into first single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Actually this is round 28. I put this stitch marker into second single crochet here. In this round we make only single crochet and increase in each corner. Okay, here 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here behind of this popcorn there is a loop, and you should make a single crochet into this loop too, and continue this pattern. Single crochet in back loop only, single crochet back loop only, continue this round, and in the corner just increase 3 single crochet into this single crochet. Okay, I will come back here. Round 29, 3 single crochet into first single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and put a stitch marker again into second single crochet. Okay, 1 and 2 here. In this round we want to make popcorn again. Single crochet into next single crochet, back loop only, another single crochet into next. Now yarn over and make 5 double crochet popcorn into next single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here, then 5 single crochet and another popcorn. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now another popcorn into next single crochet. 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn. Again 5 single crochet, then popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then a popcorn here. Continue this pattern and I come back in the corner. Now here in the corner, after this popcorn, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, then increase in each corner, 3 single crochet here, 1, 2 and 3, then put a stitch marker into second single crochet, okay, here, and repeat this pattern, 2 single crochet, then popcorn. In this round, in each side we should have 8 popcorn, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, continue this pattern and I come back here. Round 30 is the same as round 28. We just make single crochet in each of this single crochet and increase in each of corner. So 3 single crochet here, 1, 2 and 3, then put a stitch marker again into second single crochet, a single crochet into next, a single crochet into next, a single crochet into next, and behind of this popcorn there is a loop and a single crochet here. Continue this round. Single crochet in back loop only, I come back here